Well, hello people of the internet, that one guy that commented. Back. This is my 1985 Ford Econoline E350. I bought it as a quote-unquote camping mobile, but I'm gonna be living in it. The other 400 project didn't go very well. I ended up having to sell that. No money and all that jazz and all that stuff. So I got this for a few different reasons. The first reason of why I got this is financial freedom. I was kind of tired of paying rent. $14,000 a year just down the drain isn't the funnest thing. I also didn't want to have any strings attached to my apartment, so if I traveled or something, I don't want to be like, oh shit, who's gonna be taking care of my pet rat or something? I don't know. I was living in the back of my truck in Topper. I'll put a video of that right here. That was way too small. I'm a bigger guy, so that was a little bit too small. I couldn't even go on my knees to change or anything. Please stop. In the future, if the van life is a little too small for me, because I still can't stand up straight, but it's definitely a lot more room vertical wise, I'll just be getting one of them big ass truck toppers or truck campers. They're really pricey, like 30 grand, but it might be worth it. But I also do want my truck for truck things. I got a big ass dually truck that I would like for actual truck things, like hauling things, and you know, I'd like a bed as well.
I hope the door slams.
Thanks. Goals for the van, first and foremost, I want to get all the basic maintenance crap out of the way, like getting it running properly, because it does have a carburetor. It kind of sucks and runs rich, and I also want to make it, you know, a decent place to live, because right now it's anything but that.
I'm just shitting out your video, huh? Sorry.
Second big upgrade, the first big thing that I really want to do to it. I'm gonna stop that right there because the wind was picking up really bad. But basically what I said is that I'm gonna be getting rid of the carburetor pretty much as soon as possible, and I'm gonna be switching to the Holley EFI kit. I just don't want to deal with cold starts and tuning and all that stuff. But that was pretty much the gist of it, so continue the video. The third thing, probably a better set of tires. These are very old. These are from 2011. I don't think these are going to be lasting me very long. I think I'm going to start off by getting just a random set of Walmart special tires, like some Ling Longs or some shit like that. And then I'll move up to...
There's no way those are what they're called.
I swear to God, there's tires called Ling Longs. I'll move up to a good set of KO3s or something like that in the future with the 3-inch lift kit and all that stuff. Speaking of lift kits, the max that I want to go with this van is 3 inches, or 3 inches in the front, 2 inches in the rear. I don't want to do some monstrous undrivable on the highway kind of truck. I want it enough to be able to off-road and get to 90% of camping spots and trails and all that stuff. On that same topic of off-roading and all that stuff, the 4x4 kit for this truck is too expensive. It's like 10 grand. That's not happening anytime soon, or probably ever in this truck's lifetime. So what I'm probably going to do is a rear locker and good tires, suspension, and the lift kit, and that's it. That should get me to...
I hope the door slams.
Thanks. That should get me to, again, 95 of camp spots that I need to get to. If I need 4x4 for any kind of camp spot, then I'm in the wrong place.
Oh, hell no.
What? I guess the final goal that I have in mind for now is going to be a very, very good battery setup for living in here. I want a battery setup good enough to run my PC, my Xbox, monitor, TV, 12-volt fridge, lighting, you know, just all that miscellaneous stuff. So probably around 400 watt hours should be plenty for that. As long as I don't run everything at the same time. Oh, and a microwave as well. I do also want this setup to be solar capable and be able to charge through shore power, so just a regular wall outlet. But that's all the goals for now, so I guess I can show you now what the whole setup is about for now. Give me my damn camera.
Okay.
So for starters, this needs a new weather seal. There's obviously something missing here, would be a seat. The previous owner, I don't know what the hell they were doing, but that's not the right seat for this, even though they said it was. Oh, damn.
Well,
previous owner also had the same idea about making this into a livable setup, so they put some shitty wood flooring thing kind of thing. They had already set up the diesel heater, so that's already fully set up. I think it's already hooked up 12 volts. And 12 volts would be in here. It has a battery setup. I don't know what kind of setup they got going on, but it looks pretty well done. 500 watt inverter, and looks like just a regular ass card lead acid battery. But I got a free TV out of it. I'm pretty sure it swivels. Questionable wood paneling that I don't know if I'm gonna tear down and redo, because that's no bueno. Because insulation is questionably done. That might also have to be redone unless I'm too lazy to do it.
Don't be too lazy to do it.
Unless I'm too lazy to do it. That roof needs done. This fan, I don't know when it was installed. I don't know if it works or not. I tried moving the switch, but it's hooked up. Passenger side window, it works. The driver's side window does not work. So that's something else that I gotta fix. The blower makes some weird noise when you turn on the air. And then the star of the show is gonna be under the hood. Under the hood is a big block, big fart, big ass, fucking zero fuel economy, 460 big block Ford. This is a smog era engine, so it has a smog pump. Quite unfortunate. I had to take out the thermostat to get it to run because the thermostat was stuck and it was overheating. I got it not running. Kid didn't know what was going on with it. It just needed a fuel pump. Speaking of fuel and fuel pumps, it's got one tank and two tank. It's got two tanks of fuel because you probably need that with the 460. That one is not installed. That fuel pump was actually bad. The front one, which is not getting any power, that was just a blown fuse. So that's what got it to run. So it's got a front pump or a front tank, but not a rear. This is probably not a Ford color, obviously. Bondo work, I don't know what happened in the past and I don't want to question it. But yeah, that's there. It has an oil leak that is coming from between the transmission and the engine, which I don't know if it's going to be a rear main seal or if it's going to be something else. Somewhere in that vicinity right there, it's dripping. Yeah, that's it. That's the whole van.
Do you want to say anything?
Yeah. I guess now it's just gonna be maintenance.